Turn the wheel. Hi, Mom.
Are you driving? Are you driving a car? Oh my gosh.
Ready? Turn the wheel. Yeah, doggy.
Hi. Hi, big motorist. Motorist. Ta-da! Big girl. I love your bug. I love your bug. Is that a bus? Bless you. Bless you. You're driving already? I thought you had to be 16.
You have to make it go. Can you make it go? With your feet? Can you make it go, hon?
Bless you. Bless you.
Come here. Yay. Come on, hon. Come here. Yay. When are you doing it? Big girl. Come on. Yay.
All right, Ron.
Got it. What a big girl. Hey. Ooh. You trying to honk the horn? You're so good at your little truck. What's that?
She's driving. Good job, bud. You're making it go.
Wanna go see Mom?
Radley Roo, there you are. Hi. Do you love your uncle? Can you push the horn? Can you make the bus? Can you put the music on in your car? Push the button. Put your music on. Put on your tunes. Oh, where's the music in your car? Oh, bless you.
Hey, Mom, what's this? What's that?
All right, do it again. Make the car play music.
What's this one, hon? Bunny, what's that? What's that one? Yay.
All right, there you go. Do, do, do.
Hey. Are you dancing?
Good job. You're such a safe driver. Eyes on the road. I like how it doesn't take too long to adjust her stereo. Come on, bud.
You gonna go say hi to Mom? Grab the wheel.
Ooh. Give me a kiss. Mwah. 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 Thank you.